I'm from Canada. Where are you from? What's your name? How old are you? The correct answer is, where are you from? It asks about someone's country. I'm 12 years old. How old are you? Where do you live? What's your favorite color? The correct answer is, how old are you? It asks about age. My favorite food is pizza. What's your favorite food? Where do you study? What time is it? The correct answer is, what's your favorite food? It asks what you like to eat. I wake up at 7 o'clock. What time do you wake up? Where do you work? What's your hobby? The correct answer is, what time do you wake up? It asks about time. I live in London. Where do you live? What do you eat? How are you? The correct answer is, where do you live? It asks where you live. My name is Alex. What's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? The correct answer is, what's your name? It asks for your name. I go to school by bus. How do you go to school? When do you study? What do you wear? The correct answer is, how do you go to school? It asks how you travel. I like reading books. What's your hobby? Where are you? What day is it? Correct answer is, what's your hobby? It asks what you enjoy doing. It's Monday. What day is it today? What's the date? What time is it? The correct answer is, what day is it today? It asks for the day. It's 3:30. What time is it? Where is your school? What's your favorite movie? The correct answer is, what time is it? It asks for the time. I have 2 brothers. How many brothers do you have? Where is your brother? What's your brother's name? The correct answer is, how many brothers do you have? It asks for a number. Yes, I do. Do you like ice cream? Where do you play? Who is your teacher? The correct answer is, do you like ice cream? It is a yes or no question. Because I was tired. Why did you sleep early? When did you sleep? Where did you sleep? The correct answer is, why did you sleep early? It asks for a reason. I study English every day. What do you study? Where do you study?
Who is your teacher?
The correct answer is, what do you study? It asks about the subject. I was born in 2012. When were you born? Where were you born? What is your name? The correct answer is, when were you born? It asks about birth time. She's my sister. Who is she? Where is she?
How old is she?
The correct answer is, who is she? It asks about a person. My birthday is in July. When is your birthday? What is your hobby?
How are you?
The correct answer is, when is your birthday? It asks for a date. I can swim. What can you do? Where can you go? When can you come? The correct answer is, what can you do? It asks about ability. It's on the table. Where is the book? What is the book? Whose book is it? The correct answer is, where is the book? It asks about location. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. What time do you go to bed? Where do you sleep? What do you eat at night? The correct answer is, what time do you go to bed? It asks about bedtime.